Hello dear students, welcome back again to the maths class of standard 5. We are discussing chapter number 10, tens and hundreds. In the previous session, we have solved some questions which are given on page number 135. And also we have solved some questions of practice time. These questions. Now let us continue with the new topic, gas and color. Here gas and color. First, color the rods as shown without measuring. Then check rods of length less than 1 cm red, rods of length between 1 cm and 2 cm blue, rods of length between 2 cm and 3 cm green, and rods of length between 3 cm and 4 cm orange. Children, here you have to first guess the length of these rods without measuring. Then you have to check. So, color the rods which are of less than 1 cm red and color the rods which are between 1 cm and 2 cm with blue, and color the rods which are between 2 cm and 3 cm green, and color the rods which are between 3 cm and 4 cm orange. If you observe here, the smaller rods have the length of 1 cm. So this we can color with red. So this is red color with red color. This is also smaller, so red. This is also red. This is also smaller, so red. Let us find out the rods which have length between 1 cm and 2 cm. So this can be of medium size. This. So let us take first blue color. So this we can fill with blue. This also blue. Then this blue. This is also of blue color. Now let us color the rods which have the length between 2 cm and 3 cm with green. So these are the biggest between these. Children, you can color these rods in your textbook only. No need to draw these rods in your fair notebook. Now next topic is gauge the length to draw these things. These things means this: ant, pencil, glass, bangle and curly hair. So first guess the length and then draw these things. Then ask your friend to draw the same. Also ask to your friend draw the same thing which you have drawn. After you make the drawing, use a scale to measure the length. Then measure both the picture which your friends have drawn and the picture which you have drawn. Whose drawing showed a better guess? Then answer the question that whose drawing showed a better guess. As for an example, measure of your drawing of ant is 0.8 cm. Then measure of your friend's drawing is 0.9 cm. So here the measure of your drawing of ant and here measure of your friend's drawing of ant, which is closer to actual length of 1 cm. This is 0.9 cm. So here answer is my friend's drawing showed a better guess. Like that here also the measure of your drawing of pencil is 6.7 cm and measure of your friend's drawing of pencil is 6.8 cm and actual length of pencil is 7 cm. So whose guess is better? your friend's drawing showed a better guess. Now here measure of your drawing of glass is 11.4 centimeter and measure of your friend's drawing of a glass is 11.2 centimeter, and you have guessed the length of glass was 11 centimeter. So whose guess is nearer to 11 centimeter? Your friend's guess. So here also your friend's drawing showed a better guess. Here 5 centimeter, here 5.4 centimeter. But here your drawing showed a better guess. Here measure of your drawing is 19.3 centimeter and measure of your friend's drawing is 19.6 centimeter. So whose measure is closer to 20 centimeter? Here 19.6 centimeter. So here also your friend's drawing showed a better guess. Like that here also 15.6 centimeter, and here first you have to guess the length. Measure of your drawing is 0.8 centimeter and measure of your friend's drawing is 0.9 centimeter. So whose measure is nearer to end's length? 1 centimeter, your friend's. So here your friend's drawing showed a better guess. Like that here also pencil of length about 7 centimeter. First you have guessed its length as 7 centimeter. Now you have drawn the pencil which measure 6.70 centimeter and measure of your friend's drawing is 6.8 centimeter. Now whose drawing is nearer to 7 centimeter here? Your friend's drawing. So here also your friend's drawing showed a better guess. Similarly do here also, and here Bengal of perimeter 20 centimeter. So first you have guessed here to draw a Bengal of perimeter 20 centimeter. First you have guessed that to draw a Bengal of perimeter 20 centimeter. Then you have drawn a Bengal and measure of your drawing is 19.3 centimeter and measure of your friend's drawing is 19.6 centimeter. So whose drawing is closer to this 20 centimeter? Your friend's drawing. Here also your friend's drawing showed a better guess. Here also your friends. Children, this is one type of activity you can play with your friend. Here first you have to guess the length of different things like end, pencil, glass, Bengal and curly hair. Then you draw these things without measuring, and your friends will also draw these things without measuring. After drawing these things, measure your drawings with a scale and then check whose guess is better and whose guess is nearer to the guess of your things. Now our eyes get confused. Which line is longer, A or B? Here you can see two lines are given, A and B. Measure each line and write how long it is in centimeters. How good is your guess? Though line B seems bigger than line A, but it is not true because our eyes get confused. Children, here you can see these both lines, line A and line B. Measure each line and write how long is in centimeter. You can measure this line with the help of scale. You have to measure this line from this starting point here and ending point here, and this line also starting point here and ending point here. So I think line B is longer than A, but I am not correct because by measuring with the ruler we get the measurement as measurement of line A is equal to 4.6 centimeter and measurement of line B is equal to 4.6 centimeter. That means both lines are equal. Then here which line is longer, C or D? Here C line is given and here D line is given. Measure each line, measure this line and then measure this line. How good is your guess? Line C seems to be longer than line D. If you observe here, line C seems longer than line D. This line seems smaller and this line seems longer. When I measure with the ruler, I get the measurement of line C is equal to 3.2 centimeter and measurement of line D is equal to also 3.2 centimeter. So these both lines are equal, not smaller or bigger. Only our eyes get confused. Now let us move on to the page number 138. Here topic is whose tail is the longest. Guess whose tail is the longest. Now measure the tails. How good is your guess? If you observe this tail of these all animals, you can say that the tail of monkey is longer. If you measure the length of tail of rat is 1.3 centimeter. This is 1.3 centimeter. Then lizard tail is of 1.5 centimeter. Then the monkey's tail is of 2.1 centimeter. And then the cat's tail is of 1.2 centimeter. And the dog's tail is of only 0.7 centimeter and pig's tail is only of 1.4 centimeter. So when I measure the tail of these animals, I got first guess the measure of tails and then measure the tails and then tell whose tail is the longest. Children, here is the end of this session. Write the solution of the question which you have solved today in your maths notebook and practice to guess the length of different things and then measure it with a scale and then check your guess. Thank you.